7 marks question. The question says there is a rectangle. Inside of it there are 6 circles. They are the same. The radius of each circle is 8. The radius is from the circumference to the middle of the circle. This is called the radius. So this is 8. The first part asks you to find the length of the rectangle. The length is all this. So what's that? Have you noticed this is 8 and then this is another 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 6 eighths. So the length is 6 times 8, which is 48. That's very good. The second question asked you to find the area of the rectangle. This is a nice question. Now we know this is 48. We need to know what's this to find the area. This is 8, 8, 8 and 8. So it's 32 because it's 4 eighths. And then the area is the length times the width. So it's 48 times 32, which is 1536. The last part asked you to find the percentages of the rectangle that is shaded. What percent is shaded? To find the shaded percent, you first need to find the shaded area. What's the shaded area? The shaded area is the area of the rectangle minus the area of the 6 circles. The area of the rectangle is 1500. Oh gosh, this is a very nice 5. 1536 minus the area of the 6 circles. The area of the circle is pi r squared. If the radius is 8, so it's going to be pi times 8 squared. And there are 6 circles, so it's 6 times that. Now if we do 1536 minus this, it will give us the shaded areas, all of these. And then divide that by the area of the rectangle, it gives you the answer. So we will do 1500, this is a very nice 5 also, minus 6 times 8 times 8 squared times pi, divide that by 1536 times 100. Times 100 because they said percent. And that's equals 21.5%. How was it? Was it nice? Was it easy?